Warning signs of the various kinds of abuses. So physical, sexual, and emotional abuse all seem to have the same kind of sets. We've got poor hygiene, kinds of issues going on. That can be both self-neglect and, of course, caregiver neglect. You've got bruises, scratches, blisters, all the kinds of things that you would think about. I mean, I don't think that this is rocket science to any of you or us about what's going on. Others, injuries reflecting an outline of an object on somebody. That, remember, elders' skin is becomes very sensitive, so tutorn skin, patches of hair missing, bleeding scalps, untreated medical conditions, dehydration and malnutrition. Those are all signs of physical abuse. Over-medicated, confused, shaking, panicked, or lost. Bad dental hygiene, missing eyeglasses, afraid. The elder is afraid. That can be emotional abuse as well. Withdrawn, depressed. Many seniors are depressed. That's probably the most common emotional, psychological issue going on with a lot of seniors is depression. It could be because of some abuse that's going on. It could be from other reasons as well. Financial abuse, of course, sudden bank account withdrawals and closings. Also, as I alluded to before, money's going out of their account through their ATMs. Their credit cards being used. Again, it could be family members. I keep using granddaughters and grandsons because I can't tell you how many cases we've had when that has been the person who's taking advantage of grandma and grandpa. Signature on checks and other documents do not resemble the senior's signature. Okay, here's a common one. You know, do you sign grandpa's check for him? You know, even if you're paying our fee out of grandpa's money, if you don't have any authority to do that, that's abuse. You can't do it. So we need to make sure that the person who is writing checks, signing credit cards, their names on it, are doing it legitimately, and the use of the funds is for the elder, not for the person who's doing the signing. Abrupt changes in the person's will. This happens a lot as you can imagine, in an estate planning kind of setting. This ends up with the stereotypical will contest, where we've got someone who created a new will right on their deathbed or practically on their deathbed. They may have been in an institution, they might have been at home, they might have been in the hospital. It doesn't matter.